Hello friends, I'm Chef Muhammad. Today I'm going to make world famous easy butter chicken recipe. It's very yummy and creamy and juicy. If you follow step by step our recipe, you can make easily in your home. So let's get started. We add ingredients: turmeric, chili, cumin, salt, garlic, ginger, yogurt and red food color, and mix very well. Cover, keep it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we will cook in electric oven. You can make oil fry also. Add butter, chopped onion, you have to make sure all onions is like golden brown color. Add garlic and ginger paste, and garlic ginger paste also need to cook more than 2 and 3 minutes because of raw flavor. And you add red color soft tomato, cashew nuts, little bit garam masala is for flavor, and salt, chili, red chili is Kashmiri red chili, little bit turmeric powder is optional, but I add, and a little chicken curry powder. If you don't like, you can skip it. But our restaurant style, we use little bit spices. Little hot water, and we have to cook like 5 minutes. Hot water, and I will use yogurt. It's like 1 cup of yogurt I add here, and after add yogurt we cook 5 minutes, and we have to make blend nicely. And I will add little bit butter into the pan and add the sauce. Look at that, look at that. It's very creamy and flavor, buttery flavor. It's very nice. And now we'll add chicken and cook 5 minutes. That's it. It's very easy. So guys, now we will add cooking cream or heavy cream, whatever. And after add the cream, you have to cook 5 minutes. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and thank you for watching video. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel please. And thank you. Bye bye. See you another video.